My lost bag. Today, Emma goes to a small cafe. She sits at a table near the window. She puts her bag on a chair beside her. Inside the bag, there are many things. There is a pen, a pencil, a book, a wallet, a phone, and a key. Emma opens her book and starts to read. After a while, she gets up to buy some coffee. She leaves her bag on the chair. When she comes back, her bag is gone. "Oh no," she says. "Where is my bag?" She looks under the table, but it is not there. She asks the waiter, "Have you seen my bag?" The waiter smiles and points to another table. "Is that your bag?" he asks. "Yes," says Emma. "Thank you so much." She opens it and checks everything. The phone, the wallet, the pen, the pencil, the book, and the key are all still inside. She feels happy and sits down again with her coffee and her computer. Now she can relax and work.